Repeating of adjectives, one syllable. Adjectives, a. Adjective plus the plus noun is called a pattern. 我妹妹瘦瘦小小的 My little sister is thin and small. Used as adverbs. AABB. When adjectives are used as adverbs to modify verb, you can reduplicate the adjective using the AABB pattern. AABB plus the plus verb. 我们清清楚楚地看到他跟一个胖胖的男人上车了。We clearly saw him get in the car with a fat man. Used as predicates. AB, subject plus AB or subject plus AB plus 一下。我想去外面坐坐，安静一下。I would like to take a walk outside to get some quiet time.